Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. If you got some time here, continue watching. Today we want to share with you all 30 easy and healthy ideas for brunch. So here the recipes. The first options, there's some stuffed tomatoes, and the ingredients are some fresh and organic tomatoes, some mozzarella, fresh mozzarella, olive oil, some sprayed olive oil, some oregano, parsley, sea salt, seasoning, some organic eggs, and a pan to put the tomatoes on. And here the first step is wash your tomatoes. Remember, we need to clean so good our vegetables. So clean our tomatoes, and we're gonna take in a spoon and clean inside. I'm showing you how you're gonna do. Be careful for not to spoil our tomatoes. Remember, they're so delicate and they can messy. So they have to be in good conditions. We're gonna make clean like this after wash. Rinse good and dry, and we're gonna crumb our fresh mozzarella, and we're gonna begin seasoning with our fresh dry oregano and some garlic powder and olive oil. And the original recipe has some sour cream and that stuff, but this is extra healthy, so we're gonna make the clean possible. And we're gonna mix all that, and we're gonna peel our tomatoes. We're gonna take our pan, and we're gonna put on a spray pan. If you don't have a spray pan, so you pass towel paper, and we're gonna put this sea salt or kosher salt, the one you use, and we're gonna mix good. Remember, we don't want to add too much sodium to that mixture. And then we're gonna taste to see if tastes good, and we're gonna fill our tomatoes, and it's time to fill. We're gonna fill in this way. We don't gonna get to the top, because remember, we need to put our whole eggs on the top. So then we're gonna spray a little bit of oil, and with the help of a towel paper, do like this and place to our pan, or you can use an individual recipient to put in the oven. So the same steps with the other tomatoes, or the other tomatoes, the quantity you're gonna prepare. In this case, just two people. So now just gonna put our eggs on the top in this way, the whole organic egg, and we're gonna season it with salt, pepper and parsley, and guys, Parmesan cheese, some Parmesan cheese on the top, and then put the little lids. We're gonna preheat the oven. We're gonna have preheated the oven at 350 and boil light for 15 minutes. If you see that the yolk is not well cooked, you turn off and leave it a little longer. The second recipe is some egg muffins, and I'm gonna show you 3 different recipes. The first ingredients is Texas Mexas, and we have here black beans, some frozen corn, and some scallion onions, incoming for seasoning. And the second flavor I got some green onion, I got mushrooms, and some Mexican blend cheese, reduced fat. Remember, it's a healthy recipe, so everything reduced fat. The third, so we had spinach, tomatoes, and feta cheese or mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. And the seasoning, we got oregano. And we got as well our olive oil spray for our muffin pan. We got some black pepper, salt, and 12 eggs. Here we're gonna begin to spray the oil to our pan. We're gonna put in first our black beans, like 2 spoons of black beans in the first line. I'm gonna give you a better view so you can see better. And second, I'm gonna be putting our corn. Remember, the black bean had to be well drained. They can get water. You rinse good and drain and get a towel paper, and they have to be drained. And remember that our corn had to be frozen corn, and put like 2 spoons as well of all the quantity that you want. Then we put our corn. We're gonna put our scallion, onion, and then our cumin, that is the last thing for seasoning. Here we got the second flavor, and we have our green onion. We can use here as we can use broccoli and cheddar cheese. That is one of my favorites. But I wanted something like with mushrooms. I wanted this, that is green onions and mushrooms and Mexican blend. But if you want make variation, that's okay, because those muffins you can keep on the fridge like for 4 days. You can get to your job, take out a snack, dinner, or something like this. And then the third line, we're gonna be using our spinach. We're gonna be filling with the spinach. Then we're gonna be putting our tomato, and then we're gonna put a feta cheese that tastes so good, or our mozzarella tastes so good. Mozzarella, olive oil, and oregano is super yummy, guys. But if we put enough oil, toast the eggs, let me tell you that you're not gonna need add too much olive oil, so you can skip that. And you just put the mozzarella and put the oregano on the top, and still is the best, are my favorite. I mean, here the eggs, we have the 12 eggs. Remember, it's 1 egg for each muffin, so we're gonna season it with salt. Here we got the salt, we're gonna whisk it, and we have black pepper, and ready to whisk. Whisk out so good, and then you put in 1 jar like this, and you're gonna be putting in each one of the muffin pan, and you have the oven preheated in 350, and they're gonna take like 15 minutes to be well cooked. Now our third option is an overnight pineapple or mango or whatever fruit on coconut oatmeal. This is an overnight coconut and fruit oatmeal. Here I got coconut milk, I got the regular milk 2%, I just got 1%. For some reason I got my fruit, I got pineapple, but I prefer with mango. And I got my oatmeal, I have whole oatmeal, and I got the Joe Traders and Outbrain. I'm gonna mix the both just because I like, and I'm gonna mix everything and leave overnight. showing you how I make it. And we're gonna need because it's healthy, I don't gonna use syrup. Instead of syrup, I'm gonna use raw honey. We're gonna use raw honey, just a little bit, because the coconut milk have a little bit of like sweet on it. It's so perfect, and the pineapple have a little bit of sugar, so they have like natural sweeteners on it. We don't need any sugar or syrups or nothing. So now we're gonna take the measurements of the milk, and we need like a quarter of milk, and we're gonna add 1 cup of coconut milk. Let me tell you something, the coconut milk left so delicious. If you haven't tried it, and got your mango. Don't buy frozen mango, cut your fresh mango and leave overnight, and this is the best thing ever. Or your pineapple, or your fruit, and or the both. I like sometimes pineapple and mango together, and yummy. A little bit of honey. Those honey pull, I don't know, for some reason like hard like this, but they give the flavor. And a little bit of salt, just to get all the sweet and all the flavors together. You just mix like this and put in the refrigerator overnight. Put the lid on it overnight, and the next day try it. Looks so beautiful. Now you're gonna put your fruit on the top, your mango with your pineapple, or your pineapple, whatever you want. Put the lid and refrigerator. And this is how it looks when you're gonna put the good. I want to eat just right now. This is a look our beautiful muffins. Yummy. They look so yummy. You're gonna take like this. You're gonna put your knife, and you're gonna turn to the left. I'm gonna make this movement like help and make this turn to the left, and it's like they're gonna come out. They're gonna be super fluffy as a balloon, but when you leave like rest, they're gonna disinflate. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and thank you so much.